My mother always told us, be prepared for a rainy day. But I don't think she was thinking of days like today. It's the 24th day of January 2025. It has been raining since early last evening. About 35 degrees above zero right now, and this is going to last for at least another 48 hours. Well, 48 hours later, we received a good dump of snow, and currently it's 26 degrees above zero and raining. So, we're going to get out now. Well, you can see here how much snow we got overnight, and get the skidoo unburied. And then we're going to go out and pack some trail. Alrighty.
The other one didn't cut through.
Alright.
In fact, I don't know if you even cut it. I guess you tried. I don't know. I don't even.
Oh, that's when the chainsaw went down on me, so hold on. One good thing about engine heat is you can thaw things out. The snowshoes are all frozen, so put them under the cowling for just a little bit. Well, 72 hours later, and snow is coming down about 30 degrees right now. We have a nice little ice shelf there over the door that I've got to get down, and we have got to get out here and rake snow off of our storage tents, get that done. But the snow continues to fall.
Because, well, you don't have your gaiters on.
Well, we're used to snow. We're just not used to this heavy, wet snow.
Oops.
And long handles and me standing in the wrong spot.
And to anybody who wants to know why I'm doing it this way, it's because I can't get back in all that snow. It's too high for me. So I'm trying to get some of it this way. Some of it, anyway.
Okay, that's ice. They are iced over really good. And as I've shown you and explained in previous videos, these panels are actually, during the summer, they're up eye level, head level, but that's how deep the snow is out here. Whoa! It's now Thursday and minus 38 Fahrenheit. That's minus 39 Celsius, by the way. And we have some sunshine, but we are recovering from a really nasty storm that moved through. It ripped. We have tarps that are specifically made for our machines, and it pretty much ripped them all off. Well, I see here that the one for the snow dog is still attached at the front. Not only did it do that, it brought down trees, and Michelle is on her way up right now to pack trail to our cut bank, and there's dead standing down up there. And what we have to do, we have to gather this time of year, because we can't wait till spring, due to the fact that it's hard to navigate the sloughs because the water gets pretty deep. And what the storm did, it ripped the tarp covers off of our firewood stacks, encased the wood in ice, and then dumped a foot of snow on top of it. Did the same thing to our machines here. So we're playing catch up and recovery right now. So it's supposed to warm up over the next few days and give us an opportunity to kind of catch up.
Drive up the it's frozen look.
Is it frosty?
Just a bit.
A little on the chilly side out here. Michelle has been down on the cut bank packing trail, and she has just returned. And now to get, well, unencumbered.
Yeah, they're a little bit of a pain, but you almost have to take your gloves off to do this. Oh, okay, like I said, you cannot pull it off without.
But thanks for watching. Catch you next time.